Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and today we're giving you a quick little update on the Wildwood Boardwalk Reconstruction project because let me tell you, Fred's crews, they're working really hard and they're working really fast. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them we can make videos like this. If you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's get started. This video is sponsored by ISP Tech. Backup internet for your home, vacation home, or business. Don't let power or internet outages get in your way. For more information, visit isptech.co or visit the link in the description below. Remember that this project is broken up into 3 different phases. Phases 1 and 2, we're heading towards North Wildwood from Oak Avenue all the way that way. Phases 3, 4, and 5 connect from Oak all the way to Schellenger, from Schellenger kind of a little bit further down, and then over here is Cedar Avenue. When it comes to the first phase, that Oak Avenue phase, that is pretty much done. As you're going to see with the drone footage, you'll notice that all that section has been lifted up, anything underneath of it has been replaced except for one section. There, which you'll see in a second, you'll notice that there's a giant hole in the boardwalk. It looks like one of the support beams had to be replaced, so Fred and his crews removed all the wood, redid the support beam, then they'll put the wood back on top of it. On the other side, just south of Schellenger Avenue, crews already finished all of the concrete work and now are adding on the wood. It's starting to come together extremely nicely, but for this video, I want to focus on what's going on right here. This is the Cedar Avenue or the Cedar Avenue Connector, and my gosh, does it look fantastic. Unlike the other sections of the boardwalk, which had concrete pillars, this one was all wood. And so crews decided to rip out all of that wood and put brand new pilings. After the pilings, they added in those massive beams, and now the looks like 2x6s are finally going up. And as you could tell, crews even today were up here. They just left about 3 minutes ago, and they're laying the first layer of wood. We've had a lot of questions asking us how do they rebuild the boardwalk, so I figured let's explain it for you. First, they put the pilings straight into the ground. They have multiple pilings per row, about 5 or 6. Once that's done, they put these massive beams that look like they're like maybe 4x8s, okay? They run from north to south. They kind of make up the main beam of the boardwalk. Once they're done with that one, they then put boards, which are 2x6s, they put them from east to west. That creates a massive kind of flat surface to where they'll get 2x4s, and they'll place them right on top in different angles, depending on which way they're gonna go. I don't know exactly what the surface of this one's going to look like because there is no tram car over here, and so every other section has something for the tram car. I'm assuming that since this is the way they're laying it, they'll probably just lay the boards kind of like this from north to south. But then again, I really don't know. Another thing with this connector, which is really interesting, is the fact that at the very end here, which is technically the beginning of this section, they're going to put a massive archway. And I'm very excited for that. Here's a picture of what that's going to look like. We do have the seagull to bring you a bird's point of view of what this looks like, so let's go ahead and get that bird in the sky. There you guys go, man. Fred and his crews are doing a phenomenal job. I'm so excited. It looks like the section between Oak and Schellenger is going to be done within at least 2 weeks of this video. This section here is moving along. All this will definitely be done before Memorial Day, but I'm actually thinking this might be done before the first week of May. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joey, as always. I'll see you on the beach, which is right over. I'll go that way. I'll see you later. Bye.